Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can display numbers from 0 to 10 in C++. You have to create any integer having the value of 0. Now you have to write while. You are creating a while loop. You can write the condition a is less than or equals to 10. And it will keep on adding 1 to that 0 until it is equals to 10. So cout a displays your a integer and a++ keeps on adding 1 to your integer. So it will keep on adding 1 to a until it's equals to 10. So that's basically the idea of this loop. Now, if I go and run this code, you will see it will display me numbers from 0 to 10. And it will not go to 11 because it will be equals to 10. So that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.